time.
Always.
Okay, stop.
The shipping forecast with Louise Lear. Thank you, Annie. This is the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency. The general synopsis. Low German bite.
He seems fine in himself. Maybe he just enjoys it out there.
Every question gets the same answer. Preparation.
Well, talk to your father. He started this nonsense.
You could have told him anything. You know how confused he gets.
It's between the two of them. Griff will tell us when he wants to.
She sees both femininity and masculinity in me.
Does she? Is she really looking that closely?
Maybe not. But I think she totally gets me.
So she thinks you're a tiny bit girly and a tiny bit weird.
Oi, listen here, Tentboy. You win Weirdo of the Week every time. I mean, you can't exactly invite a girl back to your canvas bungalow, now can you?
A canvas bungalow?
And even if you did, they wouldn't know where to find you.
Are you sure you're okay, Daddy? We're not angry, just concerned about this sleeping out thing.
Oh.
It's just you gave him the tent and that letter.
It's not that we're angry, Beth.
Daddy, do you understand why we are concerned?
Oh. He was fine yesterday.
He was here yesterday.
Quite chipper, actually.
This is exactly what we're talking about.
School was doing his head in.
Oh, that's it. It's bullying.
He doesn't cope well with mixed social classes.
Daddy!
Hey, Joanna. Ladies, so we're gonna be there tonight? Well, girls, what are you thinking?
Are you the one with the tent?
Sorry?
You are, aren't you?
I suppose so, yeah.
So you are Tentboy. What are you doing with your life?
Are you some kind of jippo? Is that it? How do you shower and stuff?
It's straightforward, I just...
What a pair of weirdos.
Seriously, Tentboy. Why?
It's just... preparation.
Preparation.
It's your letter that started this nonsense.
Come on, Baz. What the hell is going on?
Did you know in the 18th century you could take out insurance against going to hell? Do you have insurance, Bruce?
I'm sorry, Dad, but you're pushing me right over the edge.
Imogen? You haven't been near an edge in your life.
Griff?
Yes, Mother?
It's getting seriously late.
Good night, Mother.
There's a film on and your father...
Good night, Mother.
Good night. Don't be late.
I just thought we could go to a festival or something, just me and her.
Well, you can borrow the tent.
Oh, she's not coming anywhere near me when she thinks I'm part of your scout pack.
I think it's scout troop.
You'll be away on one of your mum's retreats, and I'll be stuck here.
Well, do something. Like what? Go somewhere, live dangerously.
My life must be really pathetic if I'm taking advice from a homeless boy and his tent.
Look, school is nearly done and we've got the whole summer. We need to be prepared. Now, come on, time me.
Look, could be any number of things.
Maybe he's just had enough of sleeping outside.
Darling, stop worrying. He's home.
I knew he'd come back, but... You're right. You're right. God, he is normal.
The shipping forecast with Liam Dutton. Thank you, Ted. This is the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency. There are warnings of gales in Staffordshire and Fisher. The general synopsis at midnight.
Mother and father, you always told me that when I was 16, I could decide on what holiday suited me best.
Bruce!
As much as I have enjoyed our usual retreats, I thought this year I would look for a bit more adventure. As you've probably guessed, I have been preparing this for a while. I have my tent and I have lots of supplies, so don't worry. I'm not too sure how long I'll be away for, but I will be in regular contact. Grandpa just wanted me to have a bit more excitement in my life, like he used to have when he was my age. So try not to worry, and let me have this one exciting time over a summer holiday. And don't worry about me being on my own. I have good company, a very experienced traveller. Hope you're not too disappointed in us both. I'll send you postcards of our adventures. Love, Griffey.